If you're looking for a fast and easy way to store and organize receipts digitally, this is the only video you'll need. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to go from paper piles or messy email folders to a clean, searchable, digital system you can access anytime. Plus, if you want to follow along using the same tool I'm using, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, only for viewers of this channel. Let's get straight into it. First, gather your receipts. That means paper receipts, PDFs, and even emailed ones. If you've got physical copies, use your phone's camera and make sure you capture the full receipt with no edges cut off. Most smartphones automatically save photos to the cloud, which makes things easier later. Now we're going to upload those into the software we'll be using. This software is designed specifically for organizing receipts digitally. Once you sign in, you can create folders or tags like meals, office supplies, client expenses, whatever categories make sense for you. Uploading is super simple. If your receipts are already saved on your phone or computer, just drag and drop. If you have photos of receipts, upload them directly from your camera roll. And if you have email receipts, you can forward them to a unique address the software gives you. It will automatically file them for you. Next, the software uses OCR, optical character recognition, to extract all the important details like the date, vendor, amount, and even taxes. This means your receipts become searchable. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one Uber ride in March. You can even set automation rules. For example, every Amazon receipt gets auto-tagged as office equipment or anything you choose. This saves a ton of time and keeps your system consistent. If you're storing receipts for tax or business reasons, you'll love that the software can export reports, filter receipts by date or category, and even integrate with accounting tools if needed. Make sure you sync your account across devices. That way, whether you're at your desk or out shopping, you can instantly upload a receipt before you forget about it. Now, here's a tip most people overlook. Once everything is uploaded, do a quick weekly review. Delete duplicates, check that everything is tagged properly, and make sure you didn't miss anything. It takes 5 minutes, but keeps your system bulletproof. The key takeaway here is that storing and organizing receipts digitally doesn't have to be messy or time-consuming. With the right system in place, it's automatic, accurate, and stress-free. Quick recap. Snap photos of paper receipts. Drag and drop, or forward digital ones. Let the software auto-read and tag everything. Set rules to automate your process. Sync across devices, and do a quick weekly check. And remember, if you want to follow along with the same tool I'm using, grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll save you a lot of time getting started. Thanks for watching. Now go declutter that receipt drawer.